Dr. Lloyd started working on me with the, and I had the skin peel. I had dark spots and bags under my eyes. So once she started working on these eyes and everything, the first time I went to her, I was pleased.
All the research that I did on Thermage, I really felt like that was the answer for me. It was quick, easy, and very subtle, and I like it. I'm very, very happy.
After having my second baby, I noticed that I had way too much skin that should be bouncing back, and it wasn't. After having 2 kids, I was at the gym 5 days a week, so I was doing sit-ups and I was taking the classes and I was burning the calories and building the muscle, but it just seemed like nothing really could get at that extra skin. So that's why I chose Thermage, because I didn't want something as invasive as a tummy tuck because it just didn't seem like an option for me. I noticed results immediately, and then the results actually got better and better. By the 3rd month, it was amazing.
Prior to Thermage, I was not feeling very good about aging. I was not recognizing the person in the mirror. Immediately following the procedure, my face looked thinner. I felt younger right away. Thermage is my fountain of youth.
Dr. Lloyd, what is Thermage?
Thermage is a skin tightening procedure, a non-surgical skin tightening. It can be used on the face, it can be used on the body, and it delivers, it's a device that's FDA approved for skin tightening, and it delivers heat to the deep layer of your skin to tighten the collagen in the skin.
Do you find that when you combine procedures that you get better effects?
Yes. With the photofacial, you can get a brighter, clearer, more even skin tone. Sometimes the skin looks so nice that it really looks like a baby skin. You know how the baby skin is so clear, it's smooth and bright and even skin tone. You don't see any blemishes on the baby skin. That's oftentimes what a series of photofacials can do. When you combine that with Thermage, Thermage is a skin tightening procedure. So as someone gets older, they can have, their skin can start to sag, and they'll get some more wrinkling around their jawline, or they'll have jowls that are just drooping from their jawline instead of having more even jawline. Or underneath their jaw, they could be having some hanging skin there. Or under their eyes, they can have wrinkling under the eyes. Well, the Thermage will just give the whole skin a tighter appearance without surgery. And the combination of the photofacial and the Thermage can make someone look a lot more youthful. In addition, Thermage, because of the deep heating that it does, it has helped patients with acne, you know, severe cystic acne that they can't get treated otherwise. With Thermage, I've had several patients that have had, their acne has improved. Because it tightens the skin, it can make the appearance of acne scarring less.
I had a lot of adult acne after my children. I started breaking out, and it started to turn into cystal type acne. And from that, I've got a lot of acne scarring. I had so much sun damage and dark spots, and on top of adult acne, that scarred my face as well. So I took advantage of where I worked, and Dr. Lloyd corrected all of my problems, and through the photofacial and through skin tightening, as well as some derm fillers, she has been able to correct all the damage I've done to my skin for the last 20 years. And now I feel 5 years younger, maybe even younger than that.
The IPL, which is the photofacial, can also help people with port wine stains, which are birthmarks that are fed by blood. In your skin, you can have a red area. It's a birthmark. Instead of having a brown birthmark, you can have a red birthmark. And some people don't like it. I have a patient that had birthmark on her neck. It was a port wine stain. And we treated it with a few treatments, just 3 IPL treatments, the photofacials. And the birthmark was like 95% gone after that.
In 3 treatments?
In 3 treatments.
Tell me about how your treatments differ than something that, let's say, we find at a spa facility.
Good question, Tracy. The Treatments we do in the office, because I'm a physician, I can do a deeper level of treatment that can be done by esthetician, someone who's in a salon or a spa. Sometimes you'll have physicians in spas, but I do this full time. I'm very experienced with what I do, and you know, I know how to take care of a patient if they have any complications. If the skin gets burnt in a spa, they don't know what to do, oftentimes, okay? I can do a chemical peel that's a deeper level of chemical peel, and because of my medical training, because of my license to practice medicine, you're better off in my hands than in the esthetician's hands. So the results, basically, that you can get from treatments in my office as a physician specializing in cosmetic medicine is going to be far greater than what you can get in a spa, which is mainly, you know, they make you feel good, they may give you some temporary little flushing of your skin, you know, a little smoothing, but it's more superficial level. What I do really changes the texture and quality of your skin at a deeper level, and that's manifested with more results that you can see in the mirror.
I was becoming aware when I looked in the mirror that all over my cheeks and the sides of my face, even a little bit over my lip, I was developing a redness and a purpleness, and it became more defined over time to where it was actually like a road map, a purple road map of little spider veins, I guess you call them. So I scheduled a consultation with Dr. Lloyd, and she took a lot of time to explain things to me, and that this was something that she could help, and then when it was gone, it wouldn't come back because these little blood vessels would all be shrunk up, and actually they sort of dry up and they're gone. And it takes time for everything to calm down. So how do you think my face is looking now? Do you see any real purplish or lines? You know, of course my whole face is a little on the pink side, that's how I am. But do you see any, you know, anything that you would say, oh, what's with that woman's face? No. No. And I'm very, very pleased with this. I am just thrilled. I don't put powder on or makeup on most days.
Dr. Antoinette Lloyd is the first physician in Florida to be board certified by the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine.
Dr. Lloyd answered every bit of my questions. I was a little nervous at first, but it really is true, and it really, really does work.
I was very comfortable with Dr. Lloyd doing the procedure of the Botox and the Restylane on me because of her medical background and all those years of experience.
Great results without surgery at Allure Cosmetic Medical Center. Call now for your appointment.